Bro Tulip, hurry up! Mom Pearl went to the market. This is prime gaming time.
Sis Angel, relax. I've paused the game emotionally. My wings are still playing.
Don't get too emotional, Bro Tulip. If Mom comes back and sees us, she'll be very angry. Worth it, Sis Angel. I just unlocked the golden sunflower level. This is history in the making. Ha ha ha! History won't save you when Mom asks, why is the homework is untouched?
Simple. We'll say we were doing wing-eye coordination training. Very educational. Ha ha ha.
Bro Tulip, you lost again! You have no idea Mom Pearl is Dawn of the home.
Sis Angel, don't worry. I will manipulate Mom Pearl with my innocent eyes.
Shh! Did you hear that? Sounded like shopping bags. One more round, then we hide everything. Deal? Deal. But if Mom Pearl asks,
we will say we took permission from Uncle Lemon. Ha ha ha! Uncle Lemon always rescues us from difficult situations. Ha ha ha! Best uncle ever, Sis Angel. Obviously, Bro Tulip. Now play before Mom Pearl levels us up. Shh! Mom is coming. Quickly hide the video game.